friends, here in this video I'm going to unbox this IQOO Z9s 5G. So friends, before we unbox this, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's unbox it. So as you can see, this mobile phone, it has been delivered right by today, but it's open box delivery, so that's why the box it's open from before only. Okay, I'm just reopening right now. So here's the cell phone. As you can see, the cell phone, let's keep on the side. Then now let's check this one, this paper. This is IMEI sheet. Okay, and here's the cell phone cardboard. Then here's the phone cover. The phone cover you will get for free. Then this is the warranty card and quick manual guide. Okay, if you don't know how to use this mobile phone, then from here you can check it. Okay friends, let's keep it on the side. And here's the cable wire, and this is the adapter. And if you want to know about this mobile phone specification, then let's check it out about the specification of this IQOO mobile phone. So here's the cell phone. Let's check it out. First of all, we'll check out this cell phone. Okay friends, so the mobile phone I have ordered, it's black in color. Okay, as you can see, it shine in on the light. Okay, it will look as silver, but it's black color. Okay friends, and if you want to know about this specification, then we will check it out. But first of all, let's try out the cover, back cover. So here's the back cover. After covering the back cover, it's look very amazing and elegant. And friends, if you want to know about this side buttons, then on the upward you can insert your earphones. And here's the volume buttons. Okay, up and down. This is the power button. And on the down, it's the speaker. Here's the to charge. Okay, you can check it out like this, so that the dust will not enter if you have this okay, upwards. Then here's the mic, and this is so you can insert your SIM card. Then this side nothing you will get. Then now let's check it out about this specification of this mobile phone. Friends, in this mobile phone, the color there is the two colors. One is the titanium made, which one I buy it, and another is the onyx green. So now let's talk about this mobile phone body. Here in this side you will get 7.5 centimeter, and in this side, this side you will get 0.749 centimeter, and longest side you will get this 16.372 centimeter. Okay, and friends, if you know about the weight of this mobile phone, then it's 180 gram. Okay, on onyx green it's 182 gram. Another cell phone which is in green color, this is black in color. And about the charging, here if you want to know about this adapter, okay, this is the 44 watt. Okay, and processor of this mobile phone, it's MediaTek Dimensity 73005G. So now let's check out these settings. And friends, if you want to know about the RAM it's 8 GB and 12 GB. ROM it's 128 GB, and another one it's the 256 GB. Okay, if you want to know about the battery, then its battery it's the 5000 mAh the battery, and it's 44 fast charging, it's 44 watt. Okay friends, and the operating system of this mobile phone is, as you can check out from this about phone, the operating system of this mobile phone is Fun Touch OS 14 base. Okay, here on Android 14. And friends, if you want to know about the resolution of this mobile phone, then you can check it out. Even the resolution of this mobile phone, Friends, resolution of this mobile phone is 2392 x 1080, and type of the display is AMOLED display. You can touch the screen, it's capacitive multi-touch. Okay, you can touch, zoom in, zoom out. And if you want to know about the camera, then I can show you about the camera. First of all, let's check the quality. Okay, quality of this, here's the 2160 HDR 6 P60. Okay, so now let's check out the camera. When I just tap on the camera, friends, when I just tap on the camera, when I just click on the camera, here you can see the camera. You will get its night, portrait, photo, video, and more options. Under the more options, you will get this 50 megapixel panel, ultra HD document, slow motion, time lapse, super moon pro live photo, and it's 50 megapixel Sony IMX 882 OIS main camera. Okay, and the front camera, it's 2 megapixel bokeh. Okay, I mean it's plus. Okay, the back camera 50 megapixel Sony IMX plus 2 megapixel bokeh. Okay, so now let's capture some photos, and this side too. I'm shooting this video at night time, and I just captured some photos here. It's look very amazing. Okay, as you can check it out, look at it, very beautiful. And if you want to know about the front camera, then front camera or rear camera, you can say it's, I mean rear main megapixel 50 is, I mean rear camera, it's 50 megapixel f slash 1.79 plus 2 megapixels, and the front camera is 16 megapixels. Let's click some photos through the front camera also. So friends, about the front camera, it's 16 megapixel, and as you can see, I have captured some of my photos, and it's a little bit the beautiful. It's really I like the camera. Okay, so friends, now let's know about some specification, extra specification. Okay, and if you want to know about the connectivity of this mobile phone, then connectivity is about the GPS. Then here GPS you will get, yes, it's supported. Okay, and OTG also it's supported. You can check it out through the settings, it's support. Okay, and about the SIM slot on this side, upper side I think so, or on the downside, the SIM slot type, it's 1 nano SIM plus 1 nano SIM. Okay, it's 5G plus 5G. Okay friends, and about the sound, if you are worried about the sounds, then let's test it. Okay, here's the sound on vibration, and just move on phone ring, then it's 300%. Okay, okay friends, if you want more sounds, then I can play for you. So friends, even in the front also you will get this speaker. That's why if you off this speaker, then you will hear out the another mini speakers from the front speaker. Okay, output. So friends, how this video of unboxing, if you like it, then do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and hope you have a nice day. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye.